A very good morning to all the little stars of BIKH. Welcome to Prep 1 Literacy class. In today's literacy class, let us learn a new letter which is called L. Okay. Before learning L, we will do the revision of the remaining letters. That is what you had learned in the previous class. A new letter K. And as a revision, you had learned up to A to J. So in the exam also, many kids have written A to J very nicely. So clap for you little children. Okay. So let's do a small revision on A to J. Okay. Repeat after me. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. These many letters you had learned for your term 2 exam, right? Yes, after J it is K. Okay, after J it is K. Last class you had learned the letter K. This is letter K. Standing line, one slanting line and down slanting line. Okay, so put standing line. And then from here you need to make a slanting line, and from here you need to make a down slanting line. Then it becomes K. K says K. K says K. K says K. Okay. K for kitten. Kitten is a baby of a cat. Meow, meow, meow. Okay. So kitten is a baby of the cat. Okay, K for kitten. Let us see some more objects for K. Yes. So, K for kitchen. Kitchen andre ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತಾ? ಅಡುಗೆ ಮನೆ. K for kitchen. K for kitchen. K for kettle. Can you see the kettle here? K for kettle. K for kite. You have a kite here. K for kite. K for kid. K for kiwi fruit. K for kiwi fruit. Okay. And these are the things which is there for the K. For the letter K. And in today's class, you will be learning the letter L. Okay. You will be learning letter L. After J, it is K, L. Okay. J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. These many letters you need to learn. Okay. So today we are going to learn the letter L. L is very easy letter. Standing line and sleeping line. Okay. Standing line, sleeping line. This is letter L. Okay. Standing line. It will be standing line and sleeping line. Standing line, sleeping line. It will be letter L. Let's practice. Before that, we will do the small revision from A to K. Okay. Yes, let's start the revision. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. Okay. So much you had learned, right? So, A says A. B says B. Okay. A says A. B says B. C says K. D says D. E says A. F says F. G says G. H says H. I says E. J says J. Okay. So many letters was there for your term 2 exam. After this, you are going to learn Letter K. Okay, last class you had learned K. Let's practice once again. Standing line. From here, one slanting line. And from here, another slanting line. This makes K. This makes K. One more time we'll practice. Standing line. From here, slanting line, slanting line. Standing line. From here, slanting line, slanting line. This is letter K. Okay, this was in the last class. In today's class, we are going to do the revision letter L. Okay. Come on everyone, let's start writing. Standing line, sleeping line. This is letter L. K says K, L says L. L says L. L says L. Standing line, sleeping line. Standing line, sleeping line. This is L. Okay, this is L. Standing line, sleeping line. Okay. Standing line, sleeping line. Standing line, sleeping line. Standing line, sleeping line. So this is L. L says L. L says L. Okay. Now let us see some objects for L. What and all comes for L? Yes. Look at the board. L for leaf. Leaf andre ele. Okay. Leaves. L for leaf. L for leaf. L for lamp. Lamp. Repeat after me, children. L for leaf. 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 L for lamp. 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 L for lemon. Lemon. Lemon andre nimbe hannu. L for lemon. 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 L for ladder. Repeat after me, children. L for ladder. 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 L for lollipop. You all like lollipop, right? Yes, all children like lollipop. Yes. L for lollipop. Lollipop. Repeat after me, children. Lollipop. 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 Okay. Let us read once again. L for leaf. Repeat after me. L for leaf. L for lamp. L for lemon. L for ladder. L for lollipop. Okay. And let's see in the teaching aid. Okay. This is L. L. Standing line, sleeping line makes you L. L for log. Aita? L for log. Log means it is a big branch of the tree. Okay. L for log. Log. Repeat after me, children. Log. 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 Let us see some more. Here you have L for ladder. L for ladder. L for log. L for log. L for leopard. Leopard andre cheetah. Okay. Leopard. L for lollipop. Can you see the lollipop in the hand of the child? Yes. Lollipop. L for lollipop. Then you have here leaf. L for leaf. L for leaf. And this is lizard. L for lizard. 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 L for lizard. Okay. And how to write L? It is standing line and sleeping line. Yes, and let us learn the objects from our Viva Smart Learners book number 4. Okay? Yes. Now look here. L. Standing line, sleeping line. This is letter L. L for lion. Lion is the king of the jungle. You had learnt in the animals, right? Yes, L for lion. L for lamp. L for lamp. L for leaf. L for leaf. This is page number 19. Viva Smart Learners book number 4. Take a purple crayon, standing line and sleeping line. Okay. And L for lemon. L for lemon. L for lemon. L for ladder. Ladder. L for ladder. L for ladybird. L for ladybird. L for lizard. Lizard. Okay. And this you need to color. L for lollipop. L for lollipop. L for lollipop. And L for lamp. ಲ್ಯಾಂಪ್ ಆನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಲೈಟ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, L for lamp. And your activity page number is 23. Activity page number 23. There are so many leaves. Okay, which leaf has L? You need to color the leaf dark green as well as light green. Some leaves color in dark green, some leaves color in light green. Dear parents, please help your child in recognizing the letter L and coloring the leaves in dark green and some of the leaves in light green. Okay, let us see here. This is letter L. So color this leaf. This is G. And make sure your child recognizes each and every letter which is there on the leaf. It will be a revision and a practice for your child. Here this is letter L. So color this leaf. This is F. So don't color the leaf. This is J. Don't color the leaf. This leaf has letter L. So color the leaf. This is L. So color the leaf. This is L. So color the leaf. This is L. So color the leaf. Okay, so this is about your activity letter L. And here you see whatever you have practiced, it is there. I. Let's recognize these letters. Dear parents, make sure your child recognizes these letters. Now they know up to the letter K. So they should recognize the letter as I, J, K, L. And you need to color this patch that shows L and L, K to K, J to J, I to I. The same manner you need to color this patch I to I, J to J, K to K, L to L. So by this they will know the recognition of the letters and the recognition of the color. So far we have done 4 colors: red, blue, green, yellow, and the next color will be black, and the next color will be black. So it will be a revision of the colors as well as the letters. So make sure they do this coloring patchwork. That is page number 24 and 25. Now it is your pattern matching. I matches to I. J, join the dots to J. K, join the dot to K. L, join the dot to L. The similar manner they have to identify these letters. A, D, F, K. So all these pages are, it is the revision of A to K or A to L. So they need to match these patterns as well. It will be a small revision to the children. So here it is letter to the object. They need to match letter to the object. C for cat. Repeat after me, children. C for cat. L for ladybug. A for apple. K for key. F for fish. B for balloon. D for duck. H for house. Okay, they should recognize the letter and the object which will match to them. So you please make sure that they learn like this. F for fish. F for fish. You repeat 3 to 4 times, the child will also repeat with you. B for balloon. B for balloon. D for duck. D for duck. Okay, so this is the activity in Smart Learners book number 4, and in your My Skill book it is page number 47. Practice L. Standing line, sleeping line. Standing line, sleeping line. You need to practice these 2 pages. Okay, so today we have done the revision A to J and 2 letters K and L. So dear parents, make your child to practice these letters and become thorough along with the objects and the related exercise. So they can finish the related exercise whenever they are free and when they wish to do the activities. Thank you. Meet you in the next class.